right, we out here. We just did a truck. Now we came out here to do one of my properties that I maintenance. He ain't called me in a little while. We kind of missed like about a month or two. We supposed to did it like in December. But I got Deshaun out here with me today. Told you he getting into pressure washing too, so gonna get some experience on this big boy today. Just a bunch of cobwebs and stuff of that nature. We'll clear it up. Dirt. Gonna do all the ground for him. Do this area right here. All the ground. All this. Bunch of cobwebs. Bunch of cobwebs. I don't know if y'all can see it from. Yeah, but we're gonna do the whole pool deck, all the cobwebs, get them down. Can't really see them hardly in the camera, but we'll be back. Stay tuned. All right, all right. So this one was another one. This another repeat customer, you guys. I do this one like every 6 months. It's a big house. This pool deck is humongous. I always kind of struggle with the backside of this because those like sticky thorns things or whatever they is, they be kind of like stuck at the top of the pool. And this pool deck is so high that when you hitting them, they're not coming out. So you got to go over it over and over and over again to get them out and then kind of push it off of the screen. So it takes a while to do this pool deck. So I usually do this by myself. The day I brought Deshaun with me, I'm like, I ain't finna go through all that. My arms get tired. I'm like, when I get tired, I'm passing it on to Deshaun. So we double teamed this pool deck, man. I'm talking about, we double teamed it. It didn't look that bad when I did a little walk around, but when you there, you can see it. Like it's a lot of cobwebs, a lot of those things that I'm saying, they were stuck at the very, very top. So we just double teamed it. We took at least like, I think probably about 3 hours on this pool deck, and I had to do the grounds as well, the surface. But we end up making it happen. You already know. Like I say, this is the property that we maintenance every 6 months. And then he did, we supposed to did him in December, and he came and called me back in February, but it's all good. Like I say, them extra 2 or 3 months also makes stuff a little bit harder. It makes stuff get into the paint a little bit more. I mean, you have to do more time consuming. I mean, you got to go over stuff a couple more times. So when you maintenance it, it shouldn't be that hard to do. Basically, you just want to go back and do a little run through and keep it going. You want to keep your properties like that, because if you're not maintaining it, then it's getting bad. You're allowing it to get worse and worse and worse. So you got to get it before it gets to that point. And that's what I try to tell a lot of the customers. Don't allow it to get bad. You got to catch it before it get bad. And that's the whole thing. That's why we want to put you on that maintenance for right before it get bad. Bam, we there to take care of you guys. So that's it. So we did this pool deck. Let y'all see us do the house. We did the house wash, pool deck. We did the surface of the pool. And I think we probably did, we probably was here probably like, I'll say about 4 hours. 4 hours? Yep, about 4 hours. We got here about 12, about 4:30 we was wrapping it up. About 4.5 hours, man. But yeah, this the house. We're doing the house wash all the way around. It's not a 2-story house, but it's a big house. I'm talking about real big all the way around. Like I say, man, I appreciate y'all, the love, the support, everybody that's always been there for me, man. I appreciate y'all, even when times when I ain't got nothing going on, y'all still supporting, still pushing. Hey, man, I appreciate that for real, man. From the bottom of my heart, man, I really, really do, man. Like I say, without you guys, it's a couple of y'all, man. Without y'all, man, I don't even know. I think I probably would have been stopped doing YouTube. I'm just being honest, man, for real, serious. Cause you guys motivate me sometimes. You get on there and put them good comments, and I'm like, man, thank you, man. I appreciate that. And that just pushed me to keep going, man, not to give up. Cause sometimes, like I say, I know I done said it before, but sometimes you just want to give up on this YouTube, man, because it's so much. It's just, you got to go do the work. You got to go book the jobs. You got to go schedule. You got to go do the estimates. You got to go do the invoices. You got to deal with the customer. You got to do the work. I mean, it's a lot. Then you got to come home and try to edit the jobs that you do. Then you got to try to post it. It's just a lot, man. But hey, man, I appreciate y'all, man. That's it. I actually didn't do a walk around on this video. I'm sorry about that. I just was tired. I was ready to go home. I love y'all, and we out.